Hello, today I will be showing you how to make sweet bread. For this recipe you need 250 grams of sugar, 550 milliliters of milk, 50 grams of fresh yeast, 5 eggs, different flavors, 200 grams of butter, some cocoa, walnuts, 1 kilogram of flour, and if you want to add Turkish delight here. Okay, so for the first step you need to mix up the milk, which needs to be warm, with vanilla flavor, and the sugar. For the second step, you need to sift the flour. Okay, so for the third step, you need to put the milk from the first step in a bowl, together with the yeast, and 3 or 4 spoons of flour. And now you mix them up. Okay, so for step 4 and 5, you need to make a dent in the middle, like this. And then pour the mix of yeast right in the middle. And then you take the flour from the sides and put it on top. And when you're done, it should look like this. And after you place the flour, you should leave it for 15 to 30 minutes, like this. So for step 6, you need to separate the yolks from the egg, put them in a bowl with some flavor, some lemon peel, whatever you want to add. And then you mix them up, and it's been 30 minutes, and this is how it should look like. Okay, for step 7 and 8, you need to melt the butter, put it in a bowl, and then you have the flour here with the eggs and the milk. You put the eggs here. After that you put the milk. And then you mix them up. We're now at step 9, and you need to dip your hands into the butter, and knead dough for about 15 minutes. It's been about 30 minutes since I'm doing this, and this is how it should look like. Very soft and nice. Now you need to cover it with a foil and put it somewhere warm for an hour and 30 minutes. Okay, now for step 10, you need to get the whites you separated from the yolks at step 6, put them in a bowl and mix them up. I mixed the whites for a while, and this is how it should look like before you add the sugar. Half a glass of sugar. I will add it. And now continue mixing. For step 12, we need to cut the dough in 3 pieces. Step 13, you need to roll the dough until you make a rectangle that you roll, and it should fit here. I have made a rectangle, and now we need to pour the filling. Now step 14, after we are done, we roll it. After you put them in the trays, you leave them to grow up to 60 to 90 minutes. It has been 1 hour, and now for the final step, I'm gonna cover them in yolk. And now I'm gonna put them in the oven at 180 degrees for 1 hour. They're ready now. They need to cool down, and then you can eat them.